What a year it's been so far for that guy right there, Drew Adams. Let's just go over a few things here. 3 round wins for Supercross Futures, great. 3 rounds of the Triple Crown Series in Canada, great. Was the points leader, even better. And he won the Scouting Moto Award in Combine in Redbud. Okay, well obviously this weekend was Loretta's, and he just had to add on to that with a 4-1-1 moto to win the Open Pro Sport, and then he third and final moto he was 1-1 score for the overall title, whatever. And you gotta say this is incredible for him. And on top of that news, well, he has said that he's going to make his pro debut at Ironman August 24th. Now the question becomes, what does Kawasaki do? They've already got Kitchen and Hammaker and Faulkner and Masterpool and just the list goes on and on and on. They just signed Marchbanks, and it's just one of those things. How many people can one team honestly employ? Obviously, it's just one of those things. There's so much talent coming up. All these kids, young kids, growing up. It's one of those things that you become a monetary problem. Obviously, on Team Green for his whole, at least as far as I know, his whole amateur career, at least for the main part of it, it's you would expect Kawasaki to say, "Hey, you're going pro. We're putting you on a pro circuit 250. Go, go win for us and make us look even better than we already are." But how much money and how many people can they actually employ? And it's also the other question, like, what other team really is going to have the pockets for it? Maybe Star Racing, but otherwise, the whole rumor of Gas and Husqvarna problems, and maybe KTM could put him on. And I don't know. Tell me in the comments below if you've heard, what he's racing or who he's racing for. I don't actually know. I'm just reading this from Verb and from what I've watched over this weekend. But it's going to be a funny thing. See where he ends up, see who he's racing for, see where he falls into the hierarchy of, what's going on. It's funny, he's going to be making his pro debut the same weekend that Roxton's going to be racing a 250. And the question becomes, I'm asking you guys, well, like I already said, who do you think he's going to race for in the end? Who gives him a contract? Maybe next year? What's he going to be doing? What do you think? And also, where do you think he falls into, like I said, the hierarchy? When he starts his pro debut, quote unquote, when do you like where do you see him falling? Is it top 5? Is it top 10? Is he going to be in the top 15? Have a little struggle his first race? I don't know. Comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.